see what Nikat has to say. Nikat, the past Congress spokesperson, also joins us. Nikat, good to have you. Would you like to respond to what Dr. Tayal had to say? That there have been anomalies in the way the Congress party has also approached this subject. So they are nobody to lecture or have any kind of a high moral ground on how this census should go.
It is so laughable when Mr. Dharmendra Tayal ji has mentioned that how Sangh has been pro-caste census, because lately when we have heard about the sources and through the media, of course, that Mohan Bhagwat ji has showed major discomfort about this, and he was not agreeing to it, and which is why he had made the last visit which he made lately to Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi, and he was really upset about it. And as far as we've got to know, it is all about the threatening of Nitish Babu because of looking forward to the Bihar elections, and which is why he has threatened that if he doesn't pass the caste census in the parliament, he would just take a step back from the NDA. And that's exactly what has happened with the Narendra Modi's government. And yes, I am very grateful to my leader and leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi ji, that he has been so consistent, and the entire party has been so consistent. Not only me, let alone me, the entire nation, the OBC, SC, ST, everybody has been grateful and thankful to the LOP that he has been consistently, vouching for the caste census in the parliament with a very high and a clear voice. And that's exactly what has pinched the Narendra Modi government. Now let me, just because Mr. Tayal was bringing, I like the way he's smiling, but I don't know if he would smile after when he would heard when he would, recall the statement of the UP CM Adityanath, that he had said that jiska caste census ya jo jatiwad pe बंटवारे की बात करेगा उसके तो डीएनए में रावण और दुर्योधन है. तो ये सारी बातें भी देश के प्रधानमंत्री ने सुनी होंगी, तयाल साहब ने सुनी होंगी, and Adityanath ने बोली हैं, not let alone the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh, but many leaders from top to down has always spoken against the caste, and we know that, and not only us, the entire people of the country have seen that. So let's be very clear that it is only a political gimmick. But of course, when it comes to that you claim that you would empower the OBC, the SC and the STs, I would also ask the government that obviously how would you ensure their empowerment unless you keep a count of them. So yes, it is very important, and it is certainly the most important thing right now to empower our OBC, SC, STs. And as far as he has talked about our very honorable president, Ms. Murmu ji. So this is the only party who hadn't called Ms. Murmu ji to the Ram Mandir inauguration, and they shouldn't be forgetting that. Also, one more thing which I would remember and recall, and Mr. Tayal would also agree with it, because this was all over the media, that their ministers only, when a Dalit visits the temple, their ministers wants to clean it with Ganga Jal, Shuddhikaran karte hain. So when you talk about Dalits and SC, ST and OBCs, you should bring some fact on, because this is the only party, Bharatiya Janata Party, who opposed caste census in the Supreme Court. So consistently we have seen the statements, the kind of statements Bharatiya Janata Party's leaders have given out, and the way they have worked. And also Narendra Modi himself has said that caste सेंसस तो हम नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि हमारे लिए तो जाति गरीबी है, किसानों की है, महिलाओं के लिए. Forget that they haven't done anything for the females, for the empowerment of farmers or for the poorer. But yes, they have been always saying that caste जनगणना, jati jangarna is going to divide our nation. Now it really shocks me, but obviously when I got to know that it was Nitish Babu was forced because of the assembly elections in Bihar, now I really look forward to that it is not a gimmick, and not only Bihar, it is going to be there all over country, and not like the women's bill which has been put down in the box, and it was just a bill which was passed to play a gimmicky or a trick for the elections, that yes, we are going to empower the females. Now let's see what happens, and I hope that the government does not shut it back in the
All right, Sumit wants to respond to you, Nikat.
Exactly
Sumit is eager to respond to you. Sumit, go ahead.
I have quite a few points. Just hear me out.